Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Leia, and today I'm going to be trying the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And before I get into the video, I just want to make it aware, I recently dyed my hair black and my hand is now dyed black and it's not coming out. Also, I do my eyebrows off camera, so if you would like to see the tutorial for that, it will be linked in the top right corner. Already primed my face with the Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primer, and now I'm going to prep my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Mini in the shade 35 in medium. And I'm just going to put just a couple swipes on each side of my eyelid. And now I'm using this Lorella brush just to blend it out. I'm going in with this Everything Roses palette. It's literally from Target. And then this Firma 403 brush right here. And then I'm using that dark brown shade right here. And I'm going to put this into my crease. And now I'm going to cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Mini 35 in medium and then this flat Lorella brush. So I'm going to put the concealer on my eyelid first and then use the brush to cut out the crease. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced White Chocolate Chip palette and my Flawless Finish Blend MOTD brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade Glaze. It's the shade right there. I'm going to put that on my eyelid. And that same Farrah 403 brush that I used for the brown, I'm just gonna gently blend that into my eyelid. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes using the e.l.f. eyelash curler. I'm just gonna curl them a little bit to prep for mascara and then eyelashes. Next, I'm using the Level Up mascara, and I'm just gonna put the tiniest coat on here since I am wearing lashes. So like I said before, I was putting the tiniest coat of mascara on my eyelashes, and now I'm going to apply my false eyelashes. Lashes are on, and I love these lashes. They're just so like natural and simple. They're not like too dramatic. They just give off the right stuff that they're supposed to give, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to spot conceal using that same concealer that I always use, the Tarte Mini in 35 in medium. And I'm just going to apply this where I see any blemishes or spots that I want to cover up. Then we're gonna spray those spots with some e.l.f. makeup mist and stuff. And then you're just gonna fan it a little bit, allow it to dry, not all the way, but mostly. Then I'm gonna use that Lorella brush that we used for, was it the eyes? Yeah, it was the eyes. And then we're just gonna gently blend out those spots. Now that we have those spots covered, we're gonna go in with foundation. Since we're using the e.l.f. Halo Glow powder, it only makes sense to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. I'm just gonna put this over my face. And I'm going to set my face again with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And I found it that when I do this, my makeup blends way better and more smooth. Now I'm going to blend it out using this beauty blender. Just look how easy this blends, and I'll smooth the bases. Next is concealer, and if you have been watching the whole entire video, you already know what concealer we are using. Tarte Shape Tape Mini in the 35 in medium. And we're just gonna put a little bit under that, under the eyes. And then of course, spray it again. I'm using this brush right here to blend. I don't remember what brush it is because it came off, but we're gonna use this brush to blend. Now it is time to bake under the eyes, and we're using, of course, the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. I have the shade medium, and then I'm going to apply that using this black puffer. Okay. Look how smooth that is. Literally with just one, like that is really smooth. This is now my new favorite powder. Okay, we're gonna do the other side just to make sure we're not crazy. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit more to bake, and we're just gonna see what happens. Next is bronzer, and we are using the Item bronzer in the shade Mood. And then to apply that, we're using the Mata Angle brush. And this is a very natural bronzer. And the same Firma 403 brush that I use for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use for nose contour. And I'm using that same Item bronzer in the shade Mood. Now I'm just gonna set the nose and where I put contour. Next is blush, and I'm using my go-to, the Tarte blush in the shade Kirky. I'm going to apply that using my slimmest glam brush in SL42. It's literally been my favorite blush brush since I was a freshman in high school. Now using this Lovecraft beauty palette, I'm just going to gently dust off the under the eye powder, but I really don't have to do much because it's like the powder just seeped into my skin. Like if you can see, there's literally nothing to dust off because everything just set itself basically. Next, I'm gonna do a little bit of bottom mascara using this Level Up mascara. Bottom lash mascara is done. Now I'm gonna set my whole entire face using the e.l.f. makeup mist and set. Now we're gonna do some highlighter, and the highlighter we're doing today is Lovecraft highlighter, Lovecraft beauty highlighter. I don't know what shade this is in, and it doesn't say, so it's just highlighter. Flawless Finish Blend MOTD brush that we used for eyeshadow, we can use that for nose contour because it's small enough. And then we can put like the tiniest bit in the inner corner. And then I don't think I want to put anything on the actual face. So moving on to lips, I'm using my go-to Lottie London AM to PM liner in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. Very gently, we're not going too heavy with this. Okay, so it turned out to be a little heavy, but that's okay. We're going to use this Imperialist Cosmetics in the shade Executive just to blend that liner out a little bit. In the center of my lips, I'm going to use the Farah Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigment in the shade Date Night. This lip gloss is so pretty. Like, you see that? And I'm just going to gently pat until it's all blended. And then I'm just going to put a little bit more clear lip gloss on top just for the finish and to blend it all together. Okay, now this is the finished makeup look, trying out the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And if I could rate this, I would definitely rate it a 10 out of 10 because my makeup looks so good. Like the base is just smooth and everything. There's no creasing at all. It looks really nice. Like I really like this, not even hyping it up. Like 10 out of 10 for sure. The best powder I have ever used, like ever. And my face isn't matte, but then again it's not glowy. Like it's right in the middle. Like it looks like skin. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.